Hi guys, this is Nikhil, and from today I am going to make a new playlist called Hacked Games. So watch all the videos. Today we are going to play Hacked Subway Surfer. The links are given in the description box below. So if you want to download them, just download from that link. So let us begin. As you know, this is a fun game I even play in leisure times. So let us start this game. I am giving you a quick tip. When you are downloading, please make sure that you on the unknown sources, or else it doesn't allow you to download it. If you don't know how to on this unknown sources, so I made another video on this unknown sources error. So if you don't know, just check it out. From here I am not going to talk. I am just going to show how this benefits the original game step by step. So follow me. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and like this video. Stay techie. Peace out. Bye.